Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility and installing the correct connector or driver. This prevents wasted time later. Next, secure access. Get a service account or credentials with least privilege and test connectivity to the host, API endpoint, or message broker. Once done, note the exact endpoint, port, database name, and table or topic to stream. Make sure firewalls and VPN allow the route, and keep credential secrets safe. This foundation tells Tableau how and where to pull live data. Open Tableau and choose a live connection so you query current values instead of snapshots. This matters for dashboards that must reflect real-time state. Then enter the endpoint, credentials, and schema or table. Select SSL or OAuth if required and validate the connection. Once validated, define how updates arrive. Set polling intervals, enable push via webhooks or change data capture, and configure query timeouts. These settings control latency and load, so balance freshness with database performance to avoid throttling or slow dashboards. Now create dashboards that reference live fields, simplify calculations, and use extracts only where necessary to reduce runtime load. Once deployed, monitor query times, Tableau server metrics, and the source database for hotspots. If data stops flowing, first verify credentials and network connectivity, then confirm driver versions and SSL certificates. Mismatched drivers or expired certs are common culprits. Finally, check query timeouts and reduce dashboard complexity, or add in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.